Are you looking for the perfect pop-up canopy tent? Well, then look no further because Quictent has the perfect option for you. The Quictent heavy-duty pop-up canopy tent is definitely a must-have if you do craft fairs, farmers markets, or really any outdoor event. This tent is a cost-effective, lightweight, and easy open option for those wanting to get into their local market scene and even vendors that have been doing it for quite some time. At 10 feet by 10 feet wide, this tent fits perfectly in most outdoor market spaces, and with an impressive 11-foot clearance height, even your tallest customers or your tallest displays can fit comfortably inside. This tent uses a fully assembled folding frame that makes it super simple to set up and take down quickly. It also has anti-pinch buttons, so you don't have to worry about any hurt fingers while setting it up. With its waterproof and anti-UV canopy top, you can enjoy outdoor activities in rain or shine. One of my favorite parts of these Quictent pop-up tents is just how easy they are to pack up and transport. They fold up to a compact size of 46 inches by 7 inches by 7 inches and are super lightweight, so they are perfect for packing up easily in the trunk. The storage bag even has wheels for a smooth packing up process as well. Quictent really stands by its mission of shelters for all with the heavy-duty pop-up canopy tent. You can enjoy all your outdoor activities and depend on Quictent for having the perfect shelter for what you love to do.